Welcome to Giant Farm Wonders, where we explore the incredible technology transforming global agriculture into a high-tech masterpiece of efficiency. Our journey begins in the vast orchards of America, where the traditional apple harvest has evolved into a symphony of machinery. For industrial juice production, speed is the absolute priority, leading farmers to utilize these massive 10-ton hydraulic shaking machines today. In just a few seconds, a rain of red apples falls from the branches, clearing the entire tree with brutal efficiency. This method allows a single machine to harvest up to 15 tons of apples per day, primarily used for making juice. However, the fresh market demands perfection, so farmers are now turning to intelligent robots that treat every fruit with extreme care. These breakthrough robots are equipped with advanced artificial intelligence cameras that can identify the exact ripeness of each individual apple. Using complex algorithms, the system analyzes color and size instantly, deciding which fruit is ready to be picked right now. The robotic arm extends with precision, using a gentle suction mechanism to hold the fruit without causing any bruises or damage. It mimics the motion of a human hand but works tirelessly day and night, ensuring flawless apples for the premium market. Leaving the apple orchards, we travel to the sunny state of California, which produces 80% of the global almond supply. Water is precious here, so farmers utilize precise drip irrigation systems to deliver moisture directly to the roots, saving resources. When harvest time arrives, the tree shaker enters the orchard, ready to perform a violent dance with the almond trees. The machine vibrates intensely, creating a spectacular rain of nuts that covers the orchard floor in a thick, crunchy layer. Sweeper machines then move through the lanes, organizing the fallen bounty into neat rows to prepare for the collection phase. Finally, a harvester collects the rows, lifting the nuts into trailers while separating them from twigs, dirt, and leaves efficiently. The raw almonds are transported to massive processing plants where technology takes over to clean and sort the harvest instantly. Inside, the nuts travel at incredible speeds along conveyor belts, passing through a series of mechanical and optical sorting stages. Specialized rollers crack the hard outer shells gently, releasing the kernel inside while keeping it whole for the consumer market. Supercomputers analyze every single nut, using blasts of air to eject any scratched or broken kernels in a split second. The result is a consistent, high-quality product ready to be shipped to supermarkets and bakeries in every corner of Earth. Now we fly to the tropical landscapes of Costa Rica and the Philippines, where pineapples grow in vast, spiky fields. Growing a pineapple takes patience, requiring 18 to 24 months to ripen while protected by leaves as sharp as knives. Workers must wear heavy protective gear from head to toe to avoid cuts while harvesting these delicious but dangerous fruits. Once picked, the pineapples travel along a mobile conveyor belt that extends across the field, reducing physical strain on workers. At the factory, the pineapples enter a highly automated zone where speed and hygiene are maintained at the highest levels. First, the rough fruits are thoroughly washed with high-pressure water jets to remove any field dirt or insects before processing. Then, incredible machines peel and core the fruit in a blink, transforming rough pineapples into perfect cylinders of golden flesh. These golden cylinders move seamlessly down the line, untouched by human hands, ensuring the highest standards of food safety. High-speed blades slice the cylinders into uniform rings or chunks, ready to be preserved in syrup or natural juice. Robotic fillers pack the fruit into cans at dizzying speeds, sealing in the freshness before they are labeled and shipped. We now travel to the fertile fields of Europe, where root vegetables like carrots are harvested by true mechanical giants. Meet the Grim Evo, a massive harvesting beast designed to pull vegetables from the earth with incredible power and gentleness. The machine grabs the green tops and pulls the carrots from the soil, shaking off the dirt as they ascend. As they travel up the belt, precision blades cut off the leaves, leaving only the bright orange vegetable ready for market. Tons of carrots accumulate in the onboard bunker, harvested in minutes what would take a human team days to complete. Similar technology is applied to onions, where machines lift the bulbs from the ground and gently remove the excess soil. The onions roll over webbed belts that allow dirt to fall back to the field, cleaning the crop as it moves. Seamlessly, the harvester offloads the onions into a truck driving alongside, never stopping the workflow for a single moment. This synchronized dance of heavy machinery ensures that our supermarkets are always stocked with these essential ingredients for our meals. Peanuts present a unique challenge because they grow underground, requiring a fascinating two-step harvesting process that relies on the sun. First, a specialized digger lifts the entire plant and flips it upside down, exposing the peanuts to the open air. They are left in the field for several days, allowing the sun to dry the moisture and cure the nuts naturally. Once dried, a second machine collects the plants and separates the pods from the vines, leaving the waste behind. This ingenious method uses nature's energy to dry the crop, reducing the energy needed for processing later in the factory. In the world of seeds, sunflowers are a marvel of nature, arranged in perfect mathematical patterns known as the Fibonacci sequence. Harvesters equipped with specialized headers guide the stalks into cutters, collecting the heavy flower heads filled with valuable seeds. The machine threshes the heads instantly, separating the black seeds from the plant material with remarkable speed and efficiency. A stream of black seeds pours into the transport trucks, destined to become healthy snacks or pressed into cooking oil. Pistachios are another nut that requires a tough approach, similar to almonds but with their own specialized harvesting equipment. The mechanical shakers grip the trees and vibrate them, causing the ripe pistachios to rain down into the catching frame. Unlike almonds that fall to the ground, pistachios are caught directly to prevent contamination, ensuring the highest food safety standards. They must be processed within 24 hours of harvest to prevent the shells from staining and to preserve their flavor. Machines strip away the outer hull and dry the nuts, opening the shells naturally to reveal the green kernel inside. None of these crops would exist without water. In arid regions, center pivot irrigation creates massive green circles visible from space. These giant rotating arms can span hundreds of meters, delivering precise amounts of water to every inch of the field. Modern systems are connected to the internet, allowing farmers to control the flow and speed remotely using just their smartphones. Underground sensors monitor soil moisture levels in real time, ensuring that not a single drop of precious water is ever wasted. Before planting can even begin, massive deep plows are used to prepare the earth, breaking up hard layers of soil. These steel giants dig down up to 70 centimeters, shattering compacted soil to allow air and water to penetrate deep down. This deep tillage helps plant roots expand freely, leading to stronger crops and significantly higher yields during the harvest season. From the apple orchards of America to the pineapple fields of Asia, technology is the driving force of modern agriculture. It is a partnership between human ingenuity and mechanical power, ensuring that we can feed a growing global population sustainably. As the sun sets, these machines continue their work, a testament to the tireless effort required to put food on our tables. Thank you for watching Giant Farm Wonders. Subscribe now to discover more amazing agricultural technologies that are feeding our future world. Even the planting process has been revolutionized, with GPS-guided seeders placing every seed at the exact depth and spacing required. Wheat fields also benefit from these technologies, with combined harvesters that can reap, thresh, and winnow grain in one pass. Vineyards use straddle harvesters that gently shake the vines, collecting grapes for wine without damaging the plants or the fruit. Smart sprayers can now distinguish between crops and weeds, reducing chemical use by spraying only where it is absolutely necessary. Indoor farming is also rising, using hydroponics and LED lights to grow food year-round without soil or sunlight. Robotic arms in greenhouses can harvest tomatoes at the peak of ripeness, ensuring better flavor and less waste for consumers. Aquaponics combines fish farming with agriculture, where fish waste provides nutrients for plants, creating a closed, sustainable ecosystem loop. Drones are now essential for reaching steep hills where tractors cannot go, spraying crops and monitoring health from the air. Cotton pickers have transformed, now wrapping the harvested fiber into massive round protective bales right there on the field instantly. These round bales protect the cotton from weather damage and are easier to transport to the ginning factories for processing. Sugar cane harvesters chop the tall stalks and blow them into wagons, replacing the back-breaking manual labor of the past. The cane must be processed quickly to extract the sweet juice, which is then boiled down to create sugar crystals. Potato harvesters use complex systems of webs and rollers to separate the tubers from stones and heavy clods of soil. Advanced optical sorters can even detect internal defects in potatoes using light sensors, ensuring only the best make chips. For delicate berries, machines use air jets or gentle vibrations to detach the fruit without crushing it into juice immediately. These berries are then rapidly cooled and packed, extending their shelf life so you can enjoy them fresh at home. Later, the bulbs are harvested, cleaned, and shipped globally, bringing the beauty of spring to gardens all over the world. In ancient olive groves where big machines cannot fit, handheld vibrating rakes help farmers harvest the fruit much faster than before. Cold press machines extract the golden oil within hours of harvest, preserving the antioxidants and flavor of the extra virgin oil. In Asia, compact combine harvesters are designed to navigate small, terraced rice paddies, modernizing a tradition that is thousands of years old. Industrial dryers ensure the rice is preserved perfectly, preventing mold and ensuring a stable food supply for billions of people. Mushroom farming takes place in the dark, where controlled environments allow fungi to grow rapidly on compost substrates year-round. Automated slicers and wrappers prepare the mushrooms for supermarkets, keeping them clean and fresh for your salads and cooking. Dairy farming has changed too, with robotic milkers allowing cows to choose when they want to be milked, improving their welfare. Other robots constantly push food closer to the cows and clean the barn floors, creating a hygienic and comfortable environment. Canopy shakers move over entire citrus trees, harvesting oranges for juice production at a scale that manual labor could never match. The fruit is immediately juiced and pasteurized, capturing the vitamin C and fresh taste for breakfast tables around the world. Banana plantations use extensive overhead cable systems to transport heavy bunches from the tree to the packing house without bruising. Workers wash the bananas and cut them into smaller clusters, checking for quality before packing them into boxes for export. Spicy chili peppers are harvested by machines that comb the bushes, collecting the fiery pods for sauces and spice powders. In some regions, these chilies are spread out in vast red carpets to dry in the sun, intensifying their heat. Tea harvesting machines precisely trim the top tender leaves of the bushes, ensuring a consistent flavor for your daily cup. The leaves are then withered, rolled, and dried in factories that smell incredibly aromatic, preserving the tea's distinct character. Coffee harvesters vibrate the bushes to drop ripe cherries, a crucial step in producing the millions of cups consumed daily. The beans are then processed and dried, a delicate stage that determines the final quality and roast profile of the coffee. Sweet corn harvesters gently snap the cobs from the stalks, ensuring the kernels remain intact and juicy for the consumer. At the cannery, kernels are cut from the cob and cooked in the can, preserving their sweetness for years to come. Even beekeeping has gone high-tech, with smart hives that monitor health and automated extraction systems that don't disturb the bees. This allows beekeepers to harvest pure honey directly from the hive with a turn of a tap, making the process easier. Behind every machine is a farmer dedicated to their land, using technology to work smarter and produce more for everyone. Agriculture is the foundation of civilization, and these innovations ensure that we can sustain our planet for generations to come. It all starts with a single seed and the hope for a good harvest, supported today by the wonders of engineering. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of giant farm wonders and agricultural innovation. Please subscribe to Giant Farm Wonders and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of amazing farming technology.